Hey everybody in YouTube land, I hope you're having a good week. It is July 4th weekend, and I know that there's a lot of things that are typically not happening, like fireworks in a lot of places, or it's virtual fireworks and things like that. So this is a strange time for all of us, isn't it? But I just wanted to say hello, and I hope you're doing well. And I want y'all to remember that I always have on my website, sandralett.com, there's always a free digital download. So always take advantage of it whenever I change it up every month or so. I'll change it to a different picture. And it's a chance for you to download some of your favorite pieces of art of mine. And so make sure to check that out on sandralett.com. And I just want to wish you a happy Independence Day. And I know some people have vacation time, and some are getting to travel. My family, my sister and her husband and son are here this weekend visiting. So it's nice to have some family around. And I just wanted to show you the latest tutorial that I just added down below. Embrace Your Creative Spirit, my online tutorials platform. This is the latest class that I am adding, and it's called Glowing Landscape. So white, yellow, orange, reds, some purple, a little bit of blue and black, and neons, yellow, pink, and orange is what makes this so bright and vivid. And what a fun painting this was. It's very, very kind of carefree. It's not detailed enough where you have to paint in the lines and be real specific. And it's one I think you would really enjoy. So check it out. The class is $35. You have lifetime access to it. You can sit in your home and paint it with friends or family. You can have a little group over and paint for $35 one time, And there's packages that I've mentioned in previous videos. If you're a monthly subscriber, you get $10 off. If you are a 6-month subscriber, you get 25% off, and annual you get 30% off or so. And with the annual subscription, you also get a free painting of your choice, acrylic pour, embellished, flowers, birds, pet, whatever. $150 value, you get a free painting with the annual subscription. So I threw that in as an extra bonus. And when you sign up for monthly, 6-month, or annual subscriptions, you automatically have access to any class that I have added in this platform. And right now there's over 36, almost 40 classes. You can pick and choose the classes you want to take, and you have a lifetime access to it. So I'm giving you so much. And I'm trying to share with you my love of acrylic painting and how to paint with brushes. And occasionally I'm going to throw in, sometimes I have one fluid art one in there that it's the hydrangeas painting. And I'm going to throw in some drawing classes and other things. But you don't have to have any drawing or painting experience to take my classes. I promise you are going to get walked through each class step by step, every brush stroke, and I'm going to explain the whole process as I go. So it's like having me sitting in your living room or kitchen with you, teaching you one-on-one. So take advantage of it. I would love to have you as a student. And I'll always continue to add free content here on YouTube. So I'll continue to add that as I go, but this is something too I'm doing. I add 2 classes a month, and I'll be doing that ongoing. And that is where my heart is to share with others how to paint, how to create art, how to become an artist. That's my heart. And it's so healing. It makes me so happy, and I want to share that with other people. So I want to share it with you too. So I hope you have a great holiday weekend, and I'll see you next week with more videos. Hugs. Bye-bye.